welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you all know, Nykaa already has a Superlight range in the market, and now they have added cloud liquid lipsticks to that Superlight collection, and I do have 4 gorgeous shades from them. So in this video, I'll be swatching these shades for you. I will be doing an in-depth review. We'll do the application, we'll do formula testing, transfer testing, and basically everything that you would want to know about these cloud liquid lipsticks. So without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, let's apply the lip color.
So this is the close-up of the applicator. It's a dough-shaped applicator with a felt tip. So this combination is considered really good for the application. While I was applying the lip color, these are the few points that I noticed. Number one, the application went on pretty smoothly because I can totally sense that the formula is amazing. It's very creamy. Also, the pigmentation over here is quite opaque because you can see that even in one stroke, I can see a lot of pigment. I don't feel like applying 2-3 coats. The applicator is definitely helping me with the application around the corners and the cupid's bow. This is the finish. You can see how velvety matte it is, and this is how it's looking on my full face of makeup. I'm definitely liking it.
The formula of these lip colors is quite moussey. When I was applying it in my head, I was comparing it to the lip velvety mousse lipsticks from Lakme. I do have a review on them also, and even if you look at the packaging, it's something like that only because this, this blurring thing that they have done, it kind of gives a very cloudy velvety effect. It kind of gives that feel. The packaging is also inspired from them, and also the formula is very similar to the Lakme one, but okay, that doesn't matter. What matters is that these lipsticks are very comfortable to wear because the formula is very nice, very moussey, very velvety. And if you have dry lips, a lot of people want to apply liquid lipsticks, but because their lips are so dry, they cannot apply another drying formula on it. So yeah, if you have dry lips, chappy lips, then this is the kind of formula that your lips would enjoy. The pigmentation of these lip colors, irrespective of the shade being dark or light, is totally impressive. You can see that the pigmentation is so on point. And when I'll do the swatches with makeup and without makeup, then also you will understand that what beautiful pigmentation these lip colors have. Now let's see the makeup and no makeup swatches. When I did the transfer test with the dark color, the Cinnamon Swirl, definitely there was a lot of transfer. Even with the Berry Lush, there was a transfer. Right now, I'm wearing Bellini blush, so let's see how it goes. So in the light color, especially after the color is set properly, there is not much transfer, but even if you apply one more coat of it and if it doesn't set properly, the lip color will transfer. And with the darker shades, I have observed that it transfers quite a lot, so I will not call it a 100% transfer proof lip color, especially in the darker shades. The wear time of these lip colors is not a lot as the brand is claiming, but still I think if you wear it nicely, if you set it nicely, it's not going to budge for maybe 3 to 4 hours, which I think for this formula is decent. So these lip colors are priced at 799 rupees, and although it is a little steep, but trust me, for the formula and for the comfort that it is giving, I will call it worth it. I mean, if your lips are okay wearing liquid lipsticks, they are not very dry and chappy, maybe you don't need this. But if you want to wear liquid lipsticks but your lips just cannot stand them, then probably this is the formula that you need. And you can just look at all the shades and just get 1 or 2 or maybe 3 shades that you really like, and I think that would make a good deal for you. So this was my review for these newly launched Cloud Liquid lipsticks from Nykaa in their Superlight range. I really hope you found this video useful. Whatever your feedback is, do write it in the comment section below. I'll see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and lots of love.